Expect more from a three-row SUV. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade and the first ever Palisade Hybrid deliver premium comfort, advanced capability, and space for every passenger. And when it comes to safety, Palisade's Hyundai SmartSense technologies help look out for your family on every road ahead. Blind spot collision warning, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian, cyclist, junction turning, and driver oncoming detection. Lane keeping assist and lane following assist help keep you safe and centered in the lane. And driver attention warning monitors for signs of fatigue, because every drive matters. Safe exit warning helps prevent opening a door into approaching traffic. Navigation-based smart cruise control with stop and go and curve control to assist you more than ever before. And for the first time ever, Palisade is available as a hybrid with an estimated range of up to 619 miles and impressive efficiency. More capable than ever, more spacious than ever, a premium SUV that really has it all. The 2026 Palisade has also been voted Best Utility Vehicle of the Year. Every Palisade also comes backed by America's Best 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. And with every Hyundai sold, a donation is made to Hope on Wheels to fight childhood cancer. Together, we've raised over $303 million. The Hyundai Palisade. Experience it for yourself at your local Hyundai dealer.